Hi everyone! Today I want to talk to you about our fare types because at P&O Cruises we offer 3 different price types. The Select Price, Early Saver and Saver. Now all of these types include accommodation, dining in the main restaurants, buffet and poolside venues, entertainment from dusk till dawn, swimming pools, children's clubs and of course flights and transfers on Fly Cruise Holiday, plus so much more. So with 3 to choose from, which price type will work out best for your customers? So let's start with the Select Price. Now the Select Price is a perfect option for families, first-time guests and for anyone who like to have a bit more choice and flexibility. It gives our guests peace of mind prior to their holiday as they will know exactly what they have booked and what to expect when on board. So what's included in the Select Price? Now guests will have their choice of cabin location and be first priority for upgrades. Of course, subject to availability. Now choosing the cabin allows our guests to select the cabin position on the ship that's most convenient for them. They may like to be midship to avoid motion, close to the lifts or restaurants, or simply next to their friends or family. They will also have first priority for their dining style. Now being able to choose how and when they dine allows our customers to plan the holiday they want. Guests can choose between club dining and freedom dining. Now club dining is available on all ships except Iona and Avia, and this allows them to choose from 2 set dining times and then dine at the same table at the same time each evening. With freedom dining, they have the flexibility to visit the restaurant when it suits them. So aside from choosing their cabin and dining time, they also get a choice of onboard spending money, car parking in Southampton, or return coach travel to Southampton too, on selected cruises of 7 nights or more. They'll also benefit from shuttle buses in port. And finally, the Select Price includes the flexibility to change their booking or do name changes, for example. So now let's move on to our Early Saver. Now Early Saver offers a great price but without the added benefits of the Select Price. Now this is usually available on most cruises prior to the balance due date. Now this type of price is available on selected cruises and grades of cabin. We will assign your guests a cabin number closer to departure. They won't be able to select one at time of booking. Now Early Saver is perfect if guests wouldn't mind where their cabin is located or what time they'll be dining. They'll know whatever they're allocated, they'll make the most of their holiday. Now possible upgrades may become available as a second priority after everybody booked on the Select Price has been assigned theirs. With the Early Saver, flexibility will be required for your guests for their dining style and dining time, meaning they won't be able to choose their dining time during the booking process. They will have less flexibility too to change their booking as some amendments may incur a charge such as name changes, for example. Now we move on to our Savers, which is the last chance for deal seekers to get a great last minute holiday with P&O Cruises. It's a good option if guests suddenly find themselves with some spare time and choose to holiday with it. Now this is only available on selected cruises at selected times. The Saver Price is only available on selected cabin grades and will assign their cabin number. Dining will be allocated upon boarding and full balance will need to be paid at time of booking. Finally, guests will have a 100% cancellation fee if cancelled at any time prior to the sail date. So that's our 3 price types explained. But to recap, I think I'm going to give you a few questions that you can use to help your customers when choosing which price is right for them. Do they want to select where their cabin is located? Do they want to plan what time and with who they will dine with? Would they like to have shuttle buses included in their initial costs? And do they want their travel to Southampton covered? Now, if your customers answer yes to any of these questions, then the select price is the one they should go for. If they're looking for value, early savers or savers will be a good alternative. Remember to quote and compare all available fares though when searching for your customer's dream holiday. Often the select price benefits are worth paying that little bit extra for, and you lovely travel agents, of course, can register all of your select price bookings you make on Shine Rewards Club. Earn those points, so book, spin, win, repeat.